The US Navy's Pacific Fleet used to mock Chinese submarines for being too noisy and too easy to detect, but that has largely been remedied in recent years, and China is now on the cusp of taking the lead in a cutting-edge propulsion technology. Naval experts said the new technology would help China build more elusive submarines, but might also prompt the United States to ramp up anti-submarine warfare measures. In a recent interview with China's Central Television, Rear Admiral Ma Weiming, a leading Chinese naval engineer, showed a component of a new integrated electrical propulsion system (EIPS) for naval warships in a laboratory. He said the system, which turns all the engine's output into electricity, and a rim-driven pump jet had been fitted to the People's Liberation Army Navy's newest nuclear submarines. This is one of our work team's first world-leading projects, which has been used on China's next-generation nuclear submarines, Ma said in May. Our technology is now way ahead of the United States, which has also been developing similar technology. Ma's exalted status in the Navy was highlighted by a photograph of then Navy Commander Admiral Wu Xingli holding an umbrella for Ma during an inspection of the Naval University of Engineering in Wuhan, where Ma works, on a rainy day in June last year. The photo, posted on the social media website of the Plus Navy magazine, sparked public curiosity about why the commander would give such preferential treatment to a rear admiral. China has built Asia's largest submarine base at Yulin, on the south coast of Hainan, near Sanya. The base features underground submarine facilities with tunnel access, shielding Chinese submarines that enter the South China Sea from the prying eyes of US reconnaissance satellites. That's prompted American warships and aircraft to conduct more close surveillance operations in the disputed waters, which are claimed wholly or in part by mainland China, Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, Brunei and Taiwan. KOH warned it was foreseeable that the US Navy would ramp up anti-submarine warfare measures to detect, classify and track Chinese submarines if they were harder to detect after being fitted with pump jet propulsion and other stealth equipment. I am very unhappy because I have no power to decide when my mails will be used, a Frank Ma told reporters on the sidelines of this year's NPC session in Beijing in March. But I dare to tell you that the mails developed by my working team is more advanced and reliable than the US system to be used on their Ford-class aircraft carrier.